We've seen a big uptake in a chain, we call it planting finance routes, but the rental option. So clients are loving the fact they've got that flexibility to, they might sign a 1, 2 or 3 year contract. Most often it's 3 years, it includes the maintenance. And they can, that's for living plants. They can come into the workplace in, let's say, 6 months' time, and Opus have come in and said, right, we need to put you a collaboration zone here. They're pulling away some desks, they're taking away some plants, but putting some other types of planting, maybe zoning plants in troughs or something to create this collaboration zone. And we're saying, yeah, no problem. We'll tweak the contract. It gives them that flexibility, but also, I suppose it's a cash flow help, and also plants are fashionable. Like these pots here weren't around 2 years ago. It's always changing. Oh, it's quite fashionable. That's why it's fun. But they could, end of 3 years, they could say, Russell, come in, do us a full new scheme. For the same amount of money, we could do a full refurb. And the staff come in and think, oh, wow,
so even
subtle
though they're in
change.
A contract, they're not just having to look at that every day.
Exactly.
It's still fresh.
Yeah, and if they bought them, they might spend 10 grand. They don't really want to spend 10 grand again to modernise. So that's probably why rental's a favourite. However, big joiner items, fixed, artificial planting hanging from ceilings, you might as well buy it because there's no maintenance required, or if it's living in joinery, it's going to be there for, say, at least 5 years for the lease of the building, maybe 10. So just buy it and take a separate maintenance contract. But I think we're heading towards 70% rental in our breakdown at the moment.